We're going to do a brief video here today for best stocks to buy now. We're taking a look at a daily chart for NVIDIA Corporation, and we've got three moving averages on here. The green is a 5-day, the red is a 20-day, and the blue is a 200-day moving average. And if we scoot back here to the beginning of this major move right here about March of 2021, we can see the price bounced off the 200-day moving average and consistently stayed above it. Now this stock is not a smooth trading stock. As you can see, it constantly kind of oscillates back and forth around the 20-day, but it does consistently stay above the 200-day in this particular bull run that it had. You can see its blow off to 340 bucks was right here, where it consistently stayed above the 20-day. And then even though it was above the 200, you saw it got a severe crack below the 20-day moving average, indicating that this bull market was probably over. And in fact, as we progress through here, we can see that it in fact was over. It came down and tested the 200-day moving average here, bounced off it, and then made a severe break below the 200-day moving average, which put it in a bear market. So this stock right now is in a bear market. It's a great stock to buy, one of the best stocks to buy now, because it hasn't had a severe rally up from a test of the 140 area. So when you take a look at this stock, this NVIDIA is in a bear market now, but it is due for a bear market rally, and we're starting to get that a little bit. Again, the history of this stock is it's constantly testing the 20-day moving average. Some stocks will get below or above a 20-day moving average, as in this move here, and just stay below it. But other stocks will oscillate around it. As we looked at here earlier, you can see it's constantly testing that 20-day moving average. So for NVIDIA to put through its normal, to go through its normal behavior, we can expect it to test and break through this 20-day moving average without necessarily violating its bear market rally move. So in my opinion, for entertainment purposes only, I'm looking for NVIDIA to rise in this area here, September, right around in here, September 15th or so, to come up and approach the 220 mark, probably 215 to 220 mark right here. And we're currently in the low 180s. So potentially, again, it's all my opinion only, but potentially you've got to move here in NVIDIA to the 215 to 220 mark before you test the 200-day moving average. You may not get that much out of it, but you're probably going to get at least $20, maybe $15, $20 at a minimum before the stock breaks back down again and probably tests back down below the 185 area back in probably in early October. So that's what I see for this stock today. A continued bear market rally up to about the 215, 220 mark, and then a break back down below the 200 mark. Again, all involving testing the 200-day moving average. Now, there's other ways to take a look at this chart, and RBAM Research puts out pricing data every day for your entertainment. Let's take a look at that real quick if we can find NVIDIA. What these prices are algorithmically generated entry prices. They're for entertainment purposes only. You should never use them as your sole means of determining the market. You always want to use your own judgment. But if we take a look at NVIDIA today, our algorithms produce these every morning before 7:30. Sometimes there, you can see Facebook today has no entry prices. These are buy points only. This is a 1-day hold, a 5-day hold, and a 20-day hold. Those are worst case hold periods. You can close out, or should close out, and take a profit as soon as you get it, and if you don't, you'd close it at a loss at the end of 1, 5, and 20-day holding period. So that's basically how this works. So today you can see 1-day hold 174, 1-day hold 176, and I'm sorry, 5-day and a 20-day hold 178. Now the price of this stock, as I produce this video, is in the low 180s. So we've already gotten a rally from these points for this morning. But these are entry points that we put out every morning before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. The beautiful thing about these points, again, they're for your entertainment purposes only. You always have to do your own research, but you don't have to do any subjective analysis like we just did with the moving averages. You can pull this up, they're free, and you can take a look at them every day. So again, that's rbamresearch.com. We put them out for 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. We put them out every day. As you can see, these are out for today, the 12th, and we have about 190 stocks on here. If I scroll down to the bottom, I'll show you how to get these for free. You can get access to 190 stocks. They're long onlys. We have the major forex pairs. Those are longs and shorts. Crypto, we currently cover Bitcoin, which is long and short, and the most active futures, long and shorts. You can get them all at rbamresearch.com, updated by 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. You just go there, put your email address information in there. No credit card required, absolutely free. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that. And remember that everything we've discussed and everything you see on this website, including the entry prices, are for entertainment purposes only, and you definitely trade at your own risk.